Plastic, okay.
Forget about it. You can eliminate also human beings. Forget about the plastic.
Human beings, of course, will be able.
Don't
आप लोग तो कस्टमर के ऊपर ज़्यादा डिपेंड है हम लोग चाहते हैं
Ah, okay.
कि कपड़े का बैग लीजिए जिससे आप लोग को दिक्कत है
Okay, so let's proceed because we have other things. It's on. Hey, my beautiful people! Right now we're in Mapsa Market, and there's a beautiful awareness. You can see where you can see me, this man.
Yeah.
Zona by zona, not zona. As you can see, the beautiful awareness. Maka Naka plastic. This is awareness we are going on in Mapsa Market right now, and you can see the people are gathered, and we can go forward now. Sai.
Hi.
Hey, no man, this is not fitting my arm also.
Yeah. You have to hold it like this.
Okay, come on, let's go. Just kidding.
Where are we going?
Goa, Goa, Goa. Love you, Goa.
You brought bags, very good. Well done, thank you. Your bag.
Welcome, Goa. I'm coming to Wadwini, and she comes to Koli. I'm coming to Mumbai. Songit Gora Gorani, ani amchi Shivani. Nakuya amchi Sanskrutai. Mere khabo mein hai tu, mere saso mein hai tu, and I know that you love me too. In the fragrance of your breeze, in the branches of your trees, I'm singing my song for you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Goa, Goa, Goa. Love you, Goa. We go there, Sanjay.
You know what side?
We go in the busy room.
Yeah, more people on that side. Talking about this.
He's on the peace mode. Okay, right now, Sammy, start talking. There are people watching you.
We need to try and figure out how we might be able to
Very complicated situation in life.
Talk louder.
Yeah, I'm trying to talk as loud as I can because it's a crowded situation today at Friday market. Life is in a very complicated situation, you know. We are trying to figure out a solution to the plastic problem. आमका आमचे गोंयान plastic नाका. But what to do? Plastic is because it's a necessity for packaging food products like meat, fish, nuste and all, and using these things we need to pack it in plastic bags, you know, and that makes a big problem. Sometimes even vegetables. See, vegetables, what happens is, no, you can use cloth bags. And we can use this cloth bag year after year. We should stop using plastic bags whenever we go out shopping, you know, and try to use these cloth bags.
I'm
Yes.
going to start some power waste management song on the street.
Okay.
Okay? So all team concentrate on this street.
Okay.
Because it's very attractive.
Yes.
Okay, we go for it.
This is a very good background. Yeah.
Live happy, live happy, live happy. You all can start walking in front. Hey guys, Sammy, you can walk in front. I'll come behind. You can walk in front. Sammy, you can walk in front. Okay. सांगता तुमका दूध काळजांसून सांगता मारिना तुमका फोड garbage everywhere heart goes in depression stop complaining and do your segregation पहिले आमचे गोय फुलाचो गांव garbage फुल सोगल्याक ट्युरिस्माचा धांव पैसे करून मिनिस्टरांनी घेतले व्हडले भाट अरे नॉर्दर माणूस पळया तुम्ही गोंयची लायली वाट गोंयकार तुम्ही गोंयकार जाई नाका ग्रिडी साफ करून गोंय मुणास बराबर live happy Sammy come here come in front live happy live happy live happy say it live happy गरमेचो व्हडलो गोंयांत आमचे इशू बंद पुसून तुम्ही उडय Ureta tissue littering around the place is affecting our nature. Doing this act gonna spoil our children's future. Mixing all the garbage, you feed many rats. Separate your waste into dry and wet. Solution for y'all is only garbage burning. But don't forget, my friend, garbage. Give me a bag, please.
Cloth bag.
You want
Yeah.
free cloth bag?
Free cloth bag.
Free.
Free.
Uncle,
कस्टमर
uncle and the
आणि सांग त्याका प्लास्टिक यूज करू नका नेक्स्ट टाइम येता मार्केट आणू ना तसे करू नका भाई
No, uncle and the
one lady work uncle don't use plastic bag please because we all are going to go भाई उतून दिता
So did you see the response? We are giving in exchange plastic bag, this Maka Naka bag to the people, but people are still rejecting.
For
What is
free.
the problem? Are garbage is overload, goyant, issue. Sagle pusun tumi, udeta tissue. Littering around the place is affecting our nature. Doing this act gonna spoil our children's future. Mixing all the garbage, you feed many rats. Separate your waste into dry and wet. Solution for y'all is only garbage burning. But don't forget, my friend, global warming. Cleaning your village is not at all dirty. Keep nature clean and live
happy live happy live happy live
This is very good. Look at this example.
Thank you.
cloth bag
Perpetua from? Boy, Perpetua from Saligaon. This is a proper example to all the people across the globe. Look at them. She's carrying at the most 3-4 bags alone. Perpetua from Saligaon. This is an example from all the way from Saligaon. Amche Perpetua bhai. Sorry, तुमका direct आहे केलं ना. सगळे युद्ध नो गोय साफ आम्ही करूया. गावात म्हणजे हाव कितल्याच प्लस काटा. सगळे म्हणजे तू देवाका भेटायचा. अरे condom diapers are all hygienic. But dumping on nature is not at all scenic. All the problem can really go away. So all we need to do is reach halfway. Sisters and brothers, mother this kind. Consciousness is nature. And that's the bottom line. Live happy, live happy. Live happy. Live happy. Live happy. Sing it. Live happy.
live happy
अब अंकल नंबर 1 वाला फॅलिक्स तू ना तुझे सांग रे मध्ये मध्ये सांग रे नाव तू बॅगाचे सांगतो वाला आपले नाव कित्याक म्हणून त्याला फॅलिक्स म्हणले पहिले माझे नाव सांगतो आमची गोंयची चोरीसा नंबर 1 चोरीसा आणि याच्या पुढे कागदानूच घालत पहिले दिस इज कॉल्ड द सस्टेनेबल वे कोणले कागदान येता बट आणटी तरी प्लास्टिकांचं कित्याक सोल्युशन जोशुआ जस्ट लुक एट दिस मरे म्हाका नाका प्लास्टिक तुमकां आतां हाडलें पळय काय बरें सोल्युशन सो फर्दर ऑन कॉन्टॅक्ट यू नो हू टू कॉन्टॅक्ट मरे संजीव ही हॅज अ सुपर प्रपोजल फॉर एटलीस्ट फोकसिंग पॉइंट एट म्हापसा So please, if you are around, if you are at home, please do come in Mapsa. I'm going to meet you. Joshua. Hello. Come down. Live happy, live happy, live happy, live happy. Oh, Sammy, who is Paolo? Re, poi tengo. Live happy. Sammy is trying to sell the concept to the business.
No, life is now not small. We all before used to live a small happy life. Now life has become big, you know, families are growing. They want big bags. See all the big bags. They're all plastic. All the big things, you know. So how to reach this on a big level is very complicated. The life is really, and people are scared, and you know they don't like anybody talking anything that could poke their heart, because our heart is dead, and if it gets poked, it feels alive, and we don't want to feel alive. I don't know why. Why do we want to live this dead life, you know? Or why do we want to kill this whatever life is left for our children and grandchildren?
Come on. Come in front, Sammy. Come in front, Sammy. So the way you interact, you're gonna count, okay? Goa, Goa, Goa. Everyone comes to visit you. Goa, Goa, Goa. The world wants to meet you and greet you. Going. स्माइल दे रहे हो आप, क्या गुस्से से देख रहे हो? देखो मास्क निकाल के थोड़ा स्माइल दे दो. ये स्माइल दे रहा है. गोवा गोवा गोवा, everyone comes to visit you. गोवा गोवा गोवा. त्याच्याबद्दल आणि त्याबद्दल तू किती सांगू शकता? हा तू म्हणजे मॅगी
Yes.
तू बरे ब्युटिफुल दिसता मग मॅगी.
You look handsome. I know your father very well, and I know
तू
you.
म्हणजे पाय होता म्हणजे पायचं नाव किती? सॅमसन. कोण तो सॅमसन? अबे तुझा बे आले हा सेटिंग रे सॅमसन. हा ना ना ना.
I know that.
So ma'am, here, this is for you. Just
हे तुका
Wow.
स्पेशल सॅमीच्या मायचे नाल्या माझ्या मायचे चादराचे केले.
I also wish to you same. माझी माहिती आहे तुझी माहिती.
Now, who bedsheets are what this now? You tell me.
No, we sanitize, wash, cleaned everything very well, and it's very out here. And we're supporting these ladies who don't have jobs, who have families and struggle. They make these bags, and people are already paying. No money.
No.
In life, no, this money is making problem everywhere.
अबे बॅग मागता बॅग मागता बॅग.
आपण केन्ना प्लास्टिक यूज करपाचें न्हू आं. शॉपिंग येता न्हू म्हापशान हें घेवन येवपाचें. धाकटे कितें भाजी बीन घेवपाक. व्हडली वय हांव तेंच चिंता सगळें व्हडलें. हे सगळें व्हडलें शॉपिंग करता. व्हडलें शॉपिंग या. नेक्स्ट टायम शॉर्ट व्हडले बॅग
Nice bag. Thank you.
Bye, Kelly. Have a
बाय.
nice day.
Thank you.
मोगल गोंयकारांनो सांगता तुमकां कालचान सेग्रिगेशन पहिले आमचे गोंय फुलांचो गांव. अरे गार्बेज पळोवन सगळ्याक ट्युरिस्ट मारता धांव. पयशे करून मिनिस्टरांनी घेतले व्हडले बाट. अरे नदर मारून पळया तुमी गोंयची लायली वाट. अरे गोंयकार तुमी गोंयकार जायी नाका ग्रिडी. साफ धरून गोंय म्हणात बाराबर.
Hi ma'am, you come for shopping? Yeah, when you're shopping, always bring this bag to Mapsa, so people will see you with this thing. Huh? See, someone
Please
has
don't
made
take plastic.
this. One lady who is struggling. These are difficult times. लोकांक पैसे ना
Super.
काम ना. आम्ही तांकां सिरीज दिता हे बॅग करपाक. आणि कोण लोक येता आणि ऑलरेडी पे करता हे बॅगांक. आमी वयता आणि लोकांक फ्री दिता. कित्याक हे संवसारान अवेरनेस आमकां की प्लास्टिक यूज करपाचें न्हूय. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we go straight now.
Continue.
How many are there?
43.
So good, no? Let them enjoy. Goa, Goa, Goa. Goa, Goa, Goa. Gaon hamara Goa. Goa, Goa, Goa.
Big bags, big plastic bag. Now if you go and tell them take this sir, he say, wait, look at me. How much I have to do shopping? So much. What am I going to do about it? My God, life is getting. But you know, small change. And one day the small change will lead into a big.
संगीत गोरा गोरानी आणि आमच्या शिरानी तुया आमची संस्कृताय. मेरे खाबों में है तू, मेरे सांसों में है तू. And I know that you love me too. In the fragrance of your breeze, in the branches of your trees, I'm singing this song for you.
Lovely.
La 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 la.
Sammy, आमका plastic.
He's busy.
He is busy. Correct. Sanjeev. This is Gumot. This is the authentic. Sammy, pura jogger naga. Don't fight with her. आमका plastic naka. येतो मुद्दो. आमचा मुद्दा किती? सांगात मरे. Very good. Hey Sammy, pura रे. आमका plastic. आमका plastic. आमका plastic. आमका plastic okay? Naka. No. She asked me whether I know that who to know.
No, a lot of people watch his live.
Protection आहे लेवल फुल स्टॉप protection. आमका plastic.
Naka.
Naka. माका म्हणता का? Sanjeev. Hey Sanjeev. Fruit market. So as you can see, my beautiful people, we are all gathered here, the volunteers from all over the world. Yes, mark my word. All over the world, we are gathered here, getting our heart, energy, our time to just give a little micro change to create awareness in this Mapsa market. I'm hoping that Mr. Joshua, if he's not busy, or anyone who is the present MLA, just to come and say hi. Because as you say, he's very much against the plastic. I know the local MLA is local, who is against the plastic, and I wish that he can support this beautiful movement, Maka Naka Plastic. This is beautiful awareness been created by so none other than Sensible Earth. No, I'm not mentioning your name. Look at this humble man. From morning, Big Sham Day. So like this is going, no plastic, no plastic. Come on, let's go to fruit market. माका प्लास्टिक मतलब समझ में आया आप लोगों को? माका प्लास्टिक नाका बोले तो हमको प्लास्टिक नहीं चाहिए. आप लोग धंधा कैसे बनाओगे प्लास्टिक नहीं है तो? सोचने वाली बात है ना. अभी कल के डेट में अभी आपको मैंने बोला, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कल के डेट में 1 किलो 120 रुपए में बेच रहे हो, कल के डेट में 140 150 में मेरे को मत बेचना. मैं दोस्त हूँ आपका, बोल रहा हूँ प्लास्टिक नहीं चाहिए.
Fruit market. Just opposite the Bata fruit market in that area.
Okay, we are going there straight.
Okay.
Sammy, where is Sammy get lost? Okay, we'll take one round, right? Okay, the center is the main concentration where the people flow more. Okay. Once we're done.
Yeah, where's Sammy?
Where is Zona going with this?
He went to keep the guitar
Where?
in the car.
Whose car?
His car, our car.
No, because I'll be needing it to take the guitar.
Yeah, we get you. It's there.
So my people, अरे गोंयकारा न्हू हांव कितें सांग येयलो जाणा मरे, सांगपाक फकत येयलो आतां सद्याक आमी हिंगा मार्केटान आहा आनी पळय आमी मरे सद्याक सांगता कितें प्लास्टीक सांगून वाजयलें मरे सगळे गव्हर्मेंटान रूल काडून वाजयले, सगळ्यांक खबर आहा प्लास्टीक घेवपाची गरज ना. बट कितें कोत्तले आतां हें कायंड ऑफ अवेरनेस क्रिएट कोत्ता आमी हिंगा म्हापसा मार्केटान टू क्रिएट एटलीस्ट ह्या उतरांनी पळोवंक शकता तुमी.
Thank you. अगली बार वापस लाइएगा मार्केट.
Yeah, next time you come.
You do? Okay.
So that's what we're trying to just help. Like,
You can help us actually also.
yeah.
Take a picture with her Makanaka plastic bag.
Can I take a picture of you? Even if you don't want the face, I may just keep this back. Yeah?
Anyhow, the
The
face
bag.
is not seen.
You can hold the bag, yeah.
पहिले मैले लगानु मजाको हिरे किनको त लाइफ फाइनल किन करूंगा बोरी का Sanjeev, now the piece of gyan, why you're going to people, so many people, and there's early in the morning, you don't have any other work than going to people and getting into their energy zone and talking to them. What is the purpose? What is the agenda of this entire movement of Maka Plastic Naka?
I think it's our dharma for the people who understand the karma that we've created with all the plastic around. I think we look at this as our responsibility to do something about it. So we're just doing a little bit of what we can to hopefully make a change in the habit of people. Right now, people have gone into the habit of expecting a plastic bag and taking it home.
Yeah.
And of course, all of that lands up in landfills. We just have to change that habit that they remember to bring the bag. And this morning has been wonderful. We've met so many people who bring their bags here.
How's the attitude? How's the approach?
Wonderful, wonderful. The ones who've not brought their bag also, 99% of them understand instantly and are extremely thankful. Most of them have been telling us, God bless you. Most of them have been very thankful for receiving this bag.
Wow, and what do you think? What will change after you doing this certain movement in today or in, I've known that you're doing a lot of movements. What's going to change?
Sensitivity and awareness, hopefully. I think if we just live in awareness as human beings, if we're aware that we have a responsibility, we live in awareness, this is one of those decisions that people will take when they go to the market to bring their bag with them. So it's just a matter of living more aware.
So it's beautiful that you optimistic approach, but reality is changing.
Yes, it will.
It works.
It will. We have to believe it, and it will. While we can see songs become blockbuster, hits
viral.
and movies and videos going viral, and fashion trends setting in all matter of days and weeks. Why can't something like this?
Something like this can happen.
Absolutely can.
Keeping on the note of optimistic and positivity that something gonna really happen, and we have to be the change to see the change in today's world. Especially, we're not talking about the world, we're at least most talking about our small Amche Apurbaeche 1,000 years old Amche authentic Mapsa market. Okay, so this message goes out to Sogle Amchi Bawa Boina, goinchi Sogli Bawa Boina ha inga team elili ha Maka Plastic Naka त्यांच्या वांगडा वावुत्ता आणि awareness create करपा की आमका plastic naka हेच्या बद्दल. So this is Feligoms to you all the way from Asare गांव आणि हांव आतां मात्ता धांव खावंक तो गरम गरम पाव पोटाक लागल्या भूक तुमकां चड awareness जाले देव बरें करूं आणि मोग आणि एक वाट होत वाटोया. Adios amigos. Sempre gumot, gumot pong na माझे number 1 हा gumot.